Which coin should I buy and hold? Here is a whopping 652.69 USDT in my Binance account, and I'm at this point seeking for advice on which coin will you advise me to buy and hold. Hi there, greetings to you and welcome to our YouTube channel. In this short video, we're going to be looking for advice, seeking for advice from you on which coin we can buy and hold, given the fact that there is a whole lot of money in crypto and we want to make some money on crypto. All right, now this is a very important video for most all of you to contribute ideas to other viewers out there, and I implore most all of you to go through the comments so that you can be able to spot cryptocurrencies which other people mention and see how you can earn from it. It's unclear how you're gonna consider this video, but it is very important for us to be able to hear what the community is saying as far as crypto coins are concerned. Remember, I had friends which invested a whole lot on crypto and they made money in silence. However, nobody gave information or leaked information online. So and by this means, please, most all of you have ideas on which cryptocurrency is going to make waves on the internet in the next few days or hours or the next few years, so that other people can learn from these cryptocurrencies, and you can also tell your experience on these cryptocurrencies so that we can also invest part all of this money which you find on our Binance account. It's very important that you give us the advice at this point, because this amount is on our Binance account and we have absolutely nothing to do with it at this point. Okay, so if you can tell us which cryptocurrency is gonna give us some profit in future, we'll be very happy to engage in it. Okay, please share only what you've gone through and cryptocurrencies you've done some research about, and then you also think very positive about that said cryptocurrency. I look forward to read all the comments. I look forward to make more videos as far as these comments are concerned. I also look forward to buy those cryptocurrencies. Remember, we are talking about cryptocurrencies that are launched on Binance and Binance only. Okay.